This is about 1.5 pounds of chocolate chips.
Okay.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do half of this. The recipe calls for 3/4 pound.
Okay.
Okay. I'll tell you what, I know you'll probably have more.
So one of the benefits of dark chocolate is that it's also high in antioxidants, and you get a nice little caffeine boost, so it makes you more awake, more alert. It also helps with your blood pressure and relaxation. So overall, dark chocolate, or comparing it to milk chocolate, is going to be your better option.
I've heard things about dark chocolate being possibly heart healthy if not eating at excess. Is that correct?
Right, just because it reduces that blood pressure. But yeah, everything in moderation.
Moderation is not my strong suit, I would say.
And any chocolate will work, milk, white. So what I did over there, I did dark chocolate and white chocolate on the peppermint bark over there. So when you do the 2 layers on the bark, you got the dark chocolate. When that sets, you don't want it to set all the way. You still want it to be wet, looking like a glossy finish. And then you want to take the white chocolate and spread it evenly. And the reason you do that is so you can get 2 clearly defined layers. Like you can see the white and then the dark, and then you just easily spread that white chocolate, similar to what we did when we poured the chocolate in the pan. All right, this is you.
Okay, ready?
So don't feel like you have to pour it all in there.
Okay.
Because you don't want it to puddle up and be thick in one area.
So it'll spread out and fill in those gaps, I figure.
Yeah, I think that's fairly well. And we have some different toppings here, and you're free to choose whichever ones you want. Tell you what, do a third. Do this section right here with the cherries.
Okay.
And then we'll have room to put some of these other. And these candy canes, I know she put these might be a little tough right here. And you want it to be right on top.
Okay.
Right?